Another outing with G, the fisherman, snake wrangler from Tulsa. And we got a beautiful, beautiful waterfall. Will G make it across, or will he make a YouTube video? Wait and see. Time will tell. He's trying to make sure there's no snakes on his path. This is very, very serious. There's a lot of water moccasins here. So you gotta be careful. You gotta snake up on them. You gotta be very careful in this part of the land. Will he make it on his first attempt, ladies and gentlemen? If not, this is going to be extraordinarily exciting. Oh, boo! He made it across.